The group of government employees, or Courage, files the petition for certiorari at the Supreme Court against the use of the Disbursement Acceleration Program, or DAP. The petitioners asked the High Court to also release a temporary restraining order and to declare the DAP as unconstitutional.
Na mga kawani na po mismo ng gobyerno ay ang manguna para idulog pa po ito sa kagalang-galang na Korte Suprema para magdesisyon na po at agad-agaran ang Korte Suprema at desisyonan na po ito na usapin na sa tingin po ng mga kawani ng gobyerno sa pamumuno ng Courage, sa ilalim ng Courage na isang illegal at hindi nasasang-ayon sa saligang batas.
They would also stage a widespread protest on November 11 on the day of the oral argument at the Supreme Court. There are currently 8 petitions filed at the Supreme Court against the DAP. Meanwhile, Vice President Jejomar Binay declines to comment on President Aquino's speech about the PDAF and the DAP.
Ito na sa Supreme Court kaya tingnan na lang ho natin.
Pero how would you defend the President? Kasi Presidente, dinidefend lagi yung DAP.
Yun na nga ang kwan Alam mo, masabing abogado rin ako. Sa isa ko na naniniwala na sub-judice na yan. Hindi na dapat nagko-comment dyan sa merits ng kaso.
Meanwhile, Ombudsman Conchita Carpio Morales reveals that she will drop a bombshell before this month ends, but did not say if this was related to the PDAF.
Within the month.
Secret!
Today, tomorrow. Gusto ko nakagyan sa anak ko, Sarap.
Ay, hindi pa lang tayo nag-agree kung anong pinag-usapan natin eh. I don't know. Secret. Hindi pa lang tayo nag-agree kung anong pinag-usapan natin eh.